Okay, so we're checking out this toolkit today. Brand sent me this to make the video over. We're going to be using this thing today to install a couple of fans and lights. And the reason why I waited to make this video for those is because these screwdrivers are insulated. I think they have like 1,000-volt insulation, so really nice for electrical work. See this right here? See right there, 1,000 volts. Meaning, if you were to accidentally touch something electrical with the plastic portion of this, it's not going to get transferred to your hands up to 1,000 volts. So that's very nice. If you're working with any kind of electricity, these are really nice screwdrivers to have. But that's not all that comes in the kit. That's just kind of like the main point. We have nice needle nose pliers as well. And what's nice about these is they're actually spring loaded. So they open back up for you. We have some channel locks. A level with a magnetic bottom, as you can see. Got the hammer. We got the Allen wrenches. We got some small star bits with the screwdriver. Box cutter, that's always nice to have, especially this kind where they're breakaway. We have our crescent wrench, adjustable. This thing's actually pretty heavy. And what am I missing? Tape measure. I don't know if I said that or not. The thing's got a nice spring to it. And then we have, see here, voltage checker thing too. So that's everything that's in the kit. I will be using some of this today, not all of it, but I will especially be using these 1,000-volt screwdrivers. So let's go ahead and show you a couple cuts of me using this thing to install some fans and some lights today. See, I'm using to install this light. These things are also super magnetic, which is so helpful. See, I got this last screw here. It's going to stick to it, no problem. And there's all kinds of different sizes. See, I got this one here, smaller one, bigger one, Phillips 1. That's a Phillips 3, I think. See how magnetic they are? Stick together. So you need a nice little toolkit. All the other stuff in there is nice too. But these, I really like these. So if you need a nice little toolkit, this is not a bad one. I'm Jason. I'll see you next time.